Hello and welcome to Me Rice YouTube channel. I'm Me Rice. Today we're going to cook winged bean recipe. Winged bean is widely recognized by farmers and consumers in South Asia. Ingredients are winged beans, onion, green chili, tomato, chili flakes, pepper powder, oil and salt. Cut off the stems and slice the pods diagonally. Winged bean is nutrient-rich and all parts of the plant are edible. The leaves can be eaten like spinach. Flowers can be used in salads. Tubers can be eaten raw or cooked. And seeds can be used in similar ways as the soybean. I think you have learned something from me. Wash the beans thoroughly. Since winged beans have many edges, make sure to clean them. The way you slice the winged beans doesn't really matter as long as you make thin slices. The seeds are edible after cooking. Each of these parts contains vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium and iron, among other nutrients. After cutting the winged beans, we slice the onions. After, we cut the green chili. Here green chili is used for spicy. Please follow the same method of cutting. Please subscribe, like and comment if you're interested in our contents. I forgot it. Now cutting the tomatoes. I love eating raw tomatoes. What about you? Do you know this chili is too spicy raw? After cutting the winged beans, tomatoes, onions and chili, we will start cooking. Let's go to the kitchen area. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Oh sorry, we forgot to record the video. Add the sliced onions, tomatoes, green chili one by one. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Don't add too much. Next, add 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Let them fry for 3 minutes. And mix it properly. Don't overcook. Sautéing for just 3 to 4 minutes is largely enough. If you saute the winged beans for too long, they will develop a slightly bitter flavor. Add the salt as your required amount. Season well. Start with the recommended teaspoon of salt and add more to taste. Add the sliced winged beans. Now about to finish cooking. Hope you will love these sautéed winged beans as much as I do. It's crunchy, garlicky, healthy, and delicious served with rice, quinoa, or your favorite grain. Again, please do subscribe, like and comment if you love this.